Look who came to show off their babies. Mom and Daddy Goose with 8 goslings. But you guys, I don't think this is our pair. It's too soon. I'm not sure. And why do I say that? Because Daddy Goose is up there keeping watch on Mama Goose right there. See if I can hold this steady, sorry. But now do you guys see her? So, we have 2 pairs of geese. Thank you for bringing them by. I love seeing the goslings. That is one thing I miss. I wish I could find somebody with fertile goose eggs. Domestic goose eggs. I love the emblem. I think that's how you pronounce it. Geese. But anyways, I am inside making up some cheese and saw these guys out my kitchen window and thought I would bring them along. There's more video coming later. Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to Hanson Never Done Farms. On this semi-overcast day, we had most of the day sprinkling, a little bit of rain here and there. They had told us we could expect a ½ an inch. I don't even think we got a 1/10 of an inch. It didn't drop too much on us. The sun is starting to try and poke out. And Jeff got home just a little bit early. Because just like Jeff, he's working on something.
Hi everyone, working on a steps to the shed, Arisha's shed. So
The she shed.
Yeah, I figured it was all rotten, so I went ahead and made it out of steel. Well, I painted it red, the framework, and then a copper. And so
somebody went to the hardware store and found paint on clearance.
Yeah, $1 a can. So anyway.
But then the wife saw the picture, saw what it looked like.
So I got some brown paint.
So you paid full price.
Yeah, full price for that.
And bought the paint that matches the shed.
Yeah.
But it looks wonderful.
Yeah, it's going to have another step down here.
You did an awesome job.
So it should work out pretty good.
And the framework won't rot, at least.
No, not this.
Yeah. Because you done went and made it out of steel.
Yeah, I think there's enough paint on it too. So
probably.
Yeah, copper, red,
yeah,
plus the brown.
Yeah. Looks good, babe.
It should turn out pretty good.
That is the one thing we found about out here. You'd think in Oregon, with all the rain that Oregon gets, that we'd have much more rotting wood in Oregon, but he has fixed most of the steps out here because it's just rotting away. So that's the next go around, is the front and back steps, but this one had completely failed, and he said, "Phooey with it, I'm making
it out of steel.
The framework out of steel."
Of course, I'm going to have a handrail up here too, but that's going to be bolted on.
Right. Looks good, babe.
Good. As long as I don't get attacked by the geese over there.
Ah, you're fine. You're fine.
Yeah,
and right. I was wrong. There's only 7 goslings, not 8. I think I said 8 earlier. But anyways, blueberries got replanted in pots. Teresa over at Twin Bridge Farms had told me that she had talked to someone who said that the blueberries here in Oklahoma don't do good in the ground. They do better in the pots. And we can attest to that for sure. These have just taken off since we got them up out of the ground. But let's get into the greenhouse. I've done a little bit of work out here. All the pepper plants got put into their forever homes. Well, forever until, you know, they're done. We have been enjoying the lettuce. Made for a very, very fine salad. Tomato plants are doing okay. Some of them had started to not look very good, and I got a little worried, and Jeff fertilized them, and I scaled back on watering them. I think that I was overwatering them, so put them down on the ground, and some are still a little bit yellow on those bottom leaves, but that's not an issue because those will get clipped off when we plant. So those are going to be going in the ground soon. Lowe's was having a good sale on some of their plants, so I bought a few marigolds, and then we planted. Got all of our green beans planted. I think I have like 116 seedlings that I planted. They are starting to come up. I just planted these Saturday, guys. I just planted them Saturday, and then got most of the rest of our starts going. And so far the only thing coming up is the zinnia. But got dill, and of course sunflowers, but squash, zucchini, watermelon, cucumbers, pickling cucumbers, eggplants, butternut squash, and okra. And then Jeff just told me to go ahead and get our corn started. So that is something I'm going to do tomorrow. I've got just enough trays over there that I can get started on some of the corn, and then once we plant, if we have room, we'll just pop in seeds, so we'll have corn coming off at 2 different times. But there ain't going to be no fear that anybody's going to fall through a step for a while. Anyways, it's almost time to go up and check on the girls. We have littles starting to leave this weekend. I cannot believe that they're old enough to go to their new homes, but that starts this weekend, you guys. Anyways, let's go up and we'll check on everybody else.
All right, everyone. Cash is looking a lot better. He looks like he feels a lot better too. How's it going, buddy? Huh? What? You're looking a lot better now.
Alrighty, forgot to hit record with that, but if you guys remember, we brought all the girls out, and what was it, the end of July, or the end of January, 1st of February, and got everybody copper bulliced, hoof trim, selenium, everything. Copper bullicing we do once every 6 months. I thought everybody had gotten it, no big deal. Once I turned the camera off, was putting everybody away, cleaning everything up, I found a copper bullace capsule on the ground, which meant that one of the girls spit it out. There was no way to tell which one it was, so I told Jeff, we'll know whenever it comes time to milk. Whose milk stays undrinkable is probably the one that didn't get the bullace. Well,
She got hers.
nothing I have done has fixed Miss Annie's milk. And so I am of the belief that she is the one that did not get the copper bullace. and has thus been bolus. And hopefully within a couple weeks that will fix her milk, because she is the only one whose milk is off. So anyways, again, sorry we didn't turn on the camera, but you know, when you get a goat on the stand, you try and
Quick as possible.
quick as possible. Anyways, everybody else is up there having a conniption fit, so we'll go get them. These girls were mighty upset that they didn't get out with Annie, but there was no way I could copper bolus her with everybody else all around. That's kind of a one-on-one job. What are you doing? No.
They love the grass.
I love you too.
For sure.
I love you.
Well, come on. What are you doing?
See ya. Hey, little troublemaker. You ain't so smart. You ain't so smart. She goes Sunday to her new home. Her owner picked out her name. This is going to be HNDF Mudslide. I think it fits her.
Yeah, it does.
I think it fits her just fine. Yeah, there ain't no bottle there, sweetheart. Anyways, goes to her new home. She will be staying here in Oklahoma, though.
Cool.
You have to breathe. Come on. What? Hey, sweet. Do you have a poopy butt?
Do they have water over there?
Yes. They might need it out there, though. What? She's like, nope, not today, bro.
Today.
Not today. What? Well, hello. Well, hello. Hey, brother. Hey, pretty boy. So many friendly kids. She is going to Illinois on the 21st. Yes. Yes.
Too friendly.
Almost.
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 Now she's the one.
Yeah, she's the one that we have to. She has decided she does not like being put up at night. And so tonight we're going to try a different tactic and get her first. Well, actually everybody else will follow us out. Except for her. She's decided she's too good for the grow out pen. That is Trinity's little blue-eyed beauty.
Well, they found new grass over here.
Oh, did they?
Yeah. What are you doing? Here.
It's Maggie's boy. Is a tank. And so friendly. He's so friendly. He is going not too far from where we live. He will also stay right here in Oklahoma. Well, the neighbors are getting their pastures eaten a little.
Yeah. Yeah.
20 kids, guys. Can you believe we had 20 kids? It is also getting close to the time that we are going to need to separate some of these bucklings, as they are just getting too old, too big for their britches. I've seen a few of them. It's normal for them to chase around either each other or some of the girls. But when they start chasing the adult does around, I really start paying attention. You are so friendly. Ow, who's an ankle biter? Well, of course. Anyways, Bijou's boy right there is our resident stud muffin. And thankfully he is going to his new home Sunday. So I'm not unhappy about that. His brother, who will be 8 weeks soon, is not leaving until May because he is going with a group. His buyer, hi Kristen, is getting 4 from us, and so he will stay here until the youngest one is ready to go. So he will have to be separated. Thankfully, he will be old enough, or thankfully, there are a few others that are within a few days of his age that can be separated with him. But so very soon we will be working on our buck pen, our buckling pen, and getting some of these boys moved. Listen, listen, bro. Quit goosing me. Quit goosing me. He is so friendly. He is going with, where is he? He is going with Catch Me's boy to the family that we get our feeder pigs from, that bought, if you guys remember Baby and Bonnie, that is going to be their future breeding sires, and I don't think they will be disappointed. I actually am really liking this guy and might have to get a hold of her in the future to say, hey, can I borrow that buckling that I sold to you? Because I'm really liking him. And I'm liking Catch Me's boy too. He is just very, very wide. He's the gold and white one right there in the front. Well, used to be in the front right there. He's got some very, very nice width on him. He's the one I'm regretting letting go of, and hoping that Bijou does a repeat performance on the bucklings, because he is a nice looking boy. Some of these kids are ready to go to bed. Hey sister, what do you think? Are you my girl? You are my little shadow. Yes. Ow! You're a biter. She's used to being bottle fed in the morning, and just makes them so friendly, you guys. Anyways, I think I'm going to get these kids a little bit of food and get them put up. Come on, guys. Who's hungry? Let's go. They're like, we're not hungry. The beggars are hungry. Oh no! Oh no! Quit! Quit! You're such a little jerk! Why are you such a little jerk? You just want to be a part of my life. Come on, guys. We really could use the rain, guys. I know it looks like it's greening up, but we're a little bit behind here in central Oklahoma. We can measure our rain coverage by the 1/10 of the inch. We were supposed to get up to 3/4 of an inch today, and we got about a 1/10 of an inch. So we really, really need the rain. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, I only got 3. Yeah. A little bit of oatmeal, a little bit of grain. Yeah. Come on, guys. Hey, dollface. So my trick has been just shut the door. You want to start walking them this way? And they eventually wander in. It's just me being patient with them. And once again, 19 are in. Little Miss thing over there decided to hang out with her mama, but she's easy to catch. Watch out, Whitey's right behind you. She is looking for an escape plan. You're open, it just sticks on the bottom. And once again, we have separated for the evening. Checked hay. Everybody's got hay. They've got water. They've got plenty of ground to play on. And as always, Freya is the holdout. But it is what it is. Two already snuck in. Come on, girls. And of course, Freya's at the end of the bottom of the hill. Come on, Ellie.
You're late.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's just Freya. It's always Freya. One of these days, I'll train her. Kalani is still mean. You're so mean. It's a good thing that I love you. You'd be going off to the goat farm. Girls are enjoying their evening alfalfa. And we are set. Kids are put away in their pen. Moms have their pen. And I'm about ready to be done for the day, y'all. It's been a long day. I did get my cheese made. Just did a simple farmhouse cheddar. This is the second batch I did. I suffer from a little bit of ADHD, and I lack the desire to read a full recipe. And I've made farmhouse cheddar for, you know what, going on 3 years now, 4 years. You'd think that I know the steps, but I always bring out the instructions. And the first batch I made, I overcooked the curds. It's stitched together, it knitted together, but it don't look pretty, and I don't think it's gonna be pretty. I went ahead and went through the steps I needed to, and it's in the wine cooler, our cheese cave. And if it's not good, the chickens or the pigs will eat it. I'm not worried about it. So the second batch I did today, I followed the instructions to a T, because you gotta follow the instructions. It is important, you guys, to follow instructions. Don't be me. Don't be wasteful. But she is a mess, y'all. She is an absolute mess. It has come to us having to go and physically get her and bring her back. And I told Jeff I'm just about at the point where I'm not going to let her out anymore. Just because she's not... It's too difficult trying to get her back sometimes. Come on, Freya. Come on, dear. You're going to miss out. Come on, once you get her going in the right direction. Bless your heart. I just don't think she's all there, guys. I just don't think she's all there. Come on, Freya. Come on. You got it, girl. Either that or that grass is just that good. Water first, huh? Nope, nope. Food first. Food, then water. Alright guys, that is going to do it for us on this glorious Wednesday afternoon, evening, early evening. Hope you guys all have had a wonderful week so far. If you don't mind, give us a like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching.